Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we will learn to use sum product formula in Excel. So what does sum product formula do? So it multiplies number in two or more arrays and then add the result. For example, if you want to calculate the total revenue by multiplying the quantity with the price and then adding them, so some product formula can do that in one step. So here we have a list of items, their quantity and price, and we want to calculate the total revenue for each item and then get the overall revenue for all the items. So to calculate the total revenue, we will type sum product, press tab. We will select first array, that is quantity, and the second array is price, and press enter. And here we have got the total revenue in a single step. So I hope you have learned to apply sum product formula. Thank you for watching this video.